Okay. Whoa. It's hailing again. The hail is not going to stop. The clouds are mad.
They're mad.
Okay, now it's hailing out again. And I can see the hail on the ground.
Ah!
Is it like snowing or something?
Yeah.
Okay, it's flooding. It's flooding now. It's flooding. Uh-oh. Yeah, it's flooding.
Some roads
It's
are
a
gonna be
lot
canceled.
of water.
Yeah, some roads are gonna be canceled.
Okay, it's still hailing.
Yeah.
It's still hailing. What the?
Oh my god.
Okay. Yeah. Well, this is not gonna stop anytime soon.
Yeah, I think it's
Flooding?
gonna stop tomorrow.
It won't stop. It won't stop soon. Okay. It's okay. I think it's gonna stop now. But it's complete. It's gonna flood. Yikes! It's probably gonna flood now. It's kind of stopped raining. It's kind of hailing now. Yeah. I didn't know I would see this much ice in the summer. Okay. I think the hail is dying down. But it's still raining like crazy, so the flood isn't as. Yeah, it's drainage system. Without a drainage system, yeah, that wouldn't be good.
The clouds look very dark. Oh my god.
It's really. I don't see any funnels though,
Yeah.
but I think I see rotation.
Oh my god.
Um.
Over that side, it just looks sunny.
Okay, there's this humongous puddle. Wee.
I
Okay,
think that-
it's okay. There's some hail now. Okay, I think it's go. Yeah, storm is passing. Bye bye, storm.
Bye.
Come back soon.
Yeah. You were fun. Because like
That looks
part
cool.
About, yeah, that part about like the like sky is like
Okay,
not evil. It's not evil.
Okay, over there is probably
No,
yeah.
over
But
there
now
is,
it's not.
Croatia.
Okay. Okay. It's gone. One final look. Okay, still here. One final look at the clouds.